Some people are just getting started out on revolvers, and that's okay. But some of them tend to spend way too much money on revolvers when there are better ones on the market. Which is why we'll be taking a look at 10 revolvers better than your dumb guns. Stay tuned because you may not have even heard of these guns. Smith & Wesson Model 69 Combat Magnum Revolver. The Smith & Wesson Model 69 Combat Magnum is a recent addition to the company's extensive line of high-quality revolvers. Released in 2014, this revolver has quickly become a popular choice among gun enthusiasts. One of the key features of the Model 69 Combat Magnum is its handling ability, 44 Magnum cartridges, which are known for their powerful stopping power and excellent accuracy. This revolver is also capable of firing 44 special cartridges, which offer slightly lower recoil and are a popular choice for target shooting and self-defense applications. The Model 69 Combat Magnum has a 6-shot cylinder and a barrel length of 4.25 inches, making it a versatile and easy-to-handle revolver. It features a stainless steel frame and a black synthetic grip, which provides a comfortable and secure grip even in wet or slippery conditions. This revolver also features a red ramp front sight and an adjustable rear sight, which allows for precise and accurate shooting even at longer ranges. Additionally, it has a smooth double-action trigger and a crisp single-action trigger, providing users with the option of choosing between a fast and accurate shot or a slower, more deliberate shot. Korth NXR. The high-end modular Korth NXR revolver is renowned for its creative design and meticulous manufacturing. It has a modular design that makes it simple to customize and interchange parts, as well as an ergonomic grip that offers a safe and comfortable handle. Due to its well-tuned trigger mechanism, the NXR also offers a smooth trigger pull, which facilitates more accurate shooting. It includes a 6-round capacity, a .357 Magnum chamber, and a stainless steel frame and barrel for increased toughness. The Korth NXR also features adjustable sights with simple windage and elevation adjustments and is compatible with a wide range of different sight choices. Overall, the Korth NXR is a premium revolver that is built for accuracy and customization, making it a popular option for collectors and serious shooters alike. Standard Manufacturing S333 Volley Fire. The Standard Manufacturing S333 Volley Fire revolver is one of a kind and a groundbreaking revolver made for rapid firing. It is a highly efficient self-defense weapon thanks to its double-barrel design, which enables it to fire 2 bullets with each trigger pull. The S333 Volley Fire has a 6-round capacity, with each barrel carrying 3 rounds, and is chambered in .22 Winchester Magnum rimfire. It boasts an ergonomic grip for a comfortable and secure hold, a lightweight aluminum frame, and adjustable sights for quick elevation and windage changes. Moreover, the S333 Volley Fire boasts a double-action trigger system that offers a smooth and reliable trigger pull, improving shooting accuracy. Overall, the Standard Manufacturing S333 Volley Fire is a distinctive and practical self-defense weapon created for quick-draw firing under pressure. Charter Arms Mag Pug. The strong and small Charter Arms Mag Pug revolver is made for self-defense. The Mag Pug has a 5-round cylinder and is chambered for both .357 Magnum and .38 Special. The revolver is lightweight and made of stainless steel, making it simple to carry and hide. A rubber grip that is comfortable and secure on the Mag Pug also serves to dampen recoil. The revolver's 2.2-inch barrel offers superb close-range accuracy. With a single-action trigger and a fixed rear sight, the Mag Pug features an easy-to-use and dependable design. For those who are new to using firearms, the revolver is an excellent option because it is simple to use and maintain. The Charter Arms Mag Pug is a strong and dependable revolver that is ideal for concealed carry and self-defense. Smith & Wesson Model 442. The Smith & Wesson Model 442 is a concealable carry and self-defense revolver that is lightweight and small. The Model 442 has a 5-round cylinder and is chambered for the .38 Special cartridge. The revolver's stainless steel barrel and cylinder and lightweight aluminum alloy frame offer dependability and durability. A firm grasp and recoil absorption are also provided by the Model 442's slush synthetic grip. The Revolver's 1.875-inch barrel offers superb close-range accuracy. With a fixed rear sight and a double-action-only trigger, the Model 442 boasts an easy-to-use and dependable design. For those who are new to using firearms, the Revolver is an excellent option because it is simple to use and maintain. In general, the Smith & Wesson Model 442 is a dependable and portable revolver that is ideal for concealed carry and self-defense. EAA Windicator. The 6-shot EAA Windicator revolver has chambers for both .38 Special and .357 Magnum bullets. It has a reliable stainless steel construction and a cozy rubber grip that offers a firm hold and reduces recoil. With its 2-inch barrel, fixed front sight, and adjustable rear sight for windage and elevation, the Windicator enables precise shooting at close quarters. The exposed hammer allows for single-action shooting if preferred, but the double-action trigger is smooth and simple to use. The revolver's swing-out cylinder makes it simple to load and unload, making it a useful option for both inexperienced and seasoned shooters. The EAA Windicator is a good option for a variety of shooting applications, from self-defense to target shooting, because of its dependability, accuracy, and versatility. The Windicator's lightweight and small design make it simple to carry for everyday use or covert carry. Its price in comparison to other revolvers on the market also make it a great value for anybody searching for a dependable and useful revolver. Smith & Wesson Model 686 Plus. The Smith & Wesson Model 686 Plus is an upgraded version of the popular Model 686 revolver, which is widely regarded as one of the best revolvers on the market today. The Model 686 Plus offers some key improvements over its predecessor, including an extra round in the cylinder and an adjustable rear sight. The 686 Plus is chambered in .357 Magnum and has a 7-round capacity, making it an ideal choice for self-defense or target shooting. It features a stainless steel frame and barrel, which gives it a sleek, modern look and provides excellent durability and resistance to corrosion. One of the most notable features of the 686 Plus is its adjustable rear sight, which allows you to fine-tune your accuracy for different shooting scenarios. The front sight is also easy to see and highly visible, even in low light conditions. It is also known for its accuracy and reliability. The 686 Plus also has a smooth trigger pull, which makes it easy to shoot accurately and consistently. The grip is comfortable and ergonomic, providing a secure hold even when firing powerful rounds. Ruger LCRx. Small frame revolvers like the Ruger LCRx are made for concealed carry and self-defense. It has a lightweight polymer frame and stainless steel barrel, trigger guard, and cylinder. Many calibers, including 22 LR, 22 WMR, .38 Special, and .357 Magnum, are offered for the LCRx. The LCRx's innovative friction-reducing cam mechanism, which offers a smooth trigger pull and lessens felt recoil, is one of its notable characteristics. The LCRx also has an adjustable rear sight and a front sight that can be changed for greater personalization and accuracy. Moreover, the LCRx has a special external hammer design that enables single and double action operation, offering adaptability and versatility in any circumstance. The Ruger LCRx is a dependable and expertly crafted revolver that provides good performance in a small and light package, making it a fantastic option for concealed carry and self-defense. Kimber K6S. The Kimber K6S revolver is small and lightweight, making it ideal for covert carry and home protection. It has a stainless steel frame, barrel, and cylinder, a smooth trigger pull, and little recoil, all of which make it simple to shoot accurately. There are many different calibers of the K6S, including the .357 Magnum and the .38 Special. The K6S's tiny size, which makes it simple to carry and hide while still keeping a comfortable grip for shooting, is one of its distinguishing qualities. The K6S also has a special 6-round cylinder design that makes the revolver smaller overall while maintaining a powerful enough stopping force. The K6S also has checkered rosewood grips that offer a stable and pleasant hold, as well as an ergonomic grip design. Smith & Wesson 69. The medium-frame revolver Smith & Wesson Model 69 is made for self-defense and sports purposes. It has a stainless steel frame, barrel, and cylinder, and it can fire both .44 Magnum and .44 Special rounds. A 4-inch barrel and adjustable rear sight are the characteristics of the Model 69 that enhance performance and accuracy. The ergonomic grip design of the Model 69, which has soft rubber grips that offer a pleasant and secure hold, is one of its most distinctive features. Moreover, the Model 69 has a light recoil and a smooth trigger pull, which make accurate shooting simple. The Smith & Wesson Model 69 is a fantastic choice for self-defense and sports purposes since it is a well-made, dependable revolver with exceptional performance in a medium frame package. But you want to know what else is a fantastic choice? Subscribing to our channel so that you can see more amazing content like this video where we check out the most powerful concealed carry guns for professionals. Thanks for watching.